Brought to you by GTA, your island, your network. Middle school principal Eleuterio Mesa lost his latest case before the Civil Service Commission this week. The case is relative to his removal from the position of Assistant Associate Superintendent of Vocational Education last year. The removal followed allegations of misconduct last November.
I was taken out without any justification. They did an investigation. They didn't find anything.
Deputy Superintendent Joe Sanchez confirms the investigation was completed last year. No adverse action was taken and Mesa was returned to his position as principal of Estombo Middle School. Deputy Superintendent Erica Cruz.
Mr. Mesa wanted the position back as Associate Superintendent of Vocational Education, but the Civil Service ruled in favor of management 5-0. Indicating that the superintendent has the authority to place someone temporarily and remove him or her back to his or her original position. And in this case, Mr. Mesa was a middle school principal and is still a middle school principal.
Meanwhile, Sanchez explained that part of the reason Mesa was placed in that position in the first place was in an effort to resolve a settlement and taxation dispute needed for Mesa's retirement. The issue stems from an over $200,000 settlement Mesa received from the CSC and his claims that he was overtaxed.
CSC has decided that they don't want to get into the issue of tax. That's between me, DOE, and DRT.
Meanwhile, on Tuesday, the Civil Service also dismissed a second grievance filed by Mesa, claiming he was entitled to high school pay while working at JP Torres Success Academy in 2015. Mesa told KUAM he is disappointed with the CSC decision and plans to take the matter to court. We should note Mesa was also reassigned 2 weeks ago.
He's still a middle school principal. However, he has been assigned to the Division of Special Education pending an investigation regarding another matter.
DOE could not disclose the details of the investigation. However, Mesa has been reassigned at least 3 times by the department over the last 2 years due to allegations of misconduct. He is also the individual who brought to light allegations against the superintendent last year. Reporting for Guam's News Network, I'm Isa Baza. Brought to you by GTA, your island, your network.